like it, but it's not okay. Whatever, can I walk away? Oh yeah, I can still see your face, so tell me what to do.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So today is all about eyelashes. How am I going to do this? Oh my god, how I don't know. So today I'm gonna fix individual lashes, okay? So but first of all, I'm gonna show you guys the equipment, the things that I'll be using for the lashes. And this right here is glue. Just put in your glue. I'll attach the picture. So if you put your glue inside, and you will be able to, pick the lashes and dip it inside the glue that you put. It will help you and save you a lot of stress. And this right here again is something you can use to lift up your eyebrows or lift your lower lashes when applying it. So it's round here. It's just got it. I don't know why I got it, but I think I need it. You see, I'm playing with it. Oh my god, I'm still a baby, So I'm gonna take some and start testing it and use it to lift my eyelashes, like I said. So oh my god, it's like the thing is not sticking. I think maybe I have a little oil on my face, because if you have oil on your face, it will not stick. So the next thing is to show you guys this right here. This is the lashes we are going in for today. Oh my god, I didn't wound myself. That is how I applied it. Please pardon, that is not how to apply it. I just did this style by myself, okay? So this is the lashes I'm going in for today. So this lashes is 8mm, I guess, and is in 12mm, something like that. I don't really know about it. So I'm gonna bring it out and stick it on the front. And yeah guys, this is the glue. I have three different types of glue. I have Betty glue, guys, and bonding. And I don't really like this Betty glue in fixing these lashes. And remember, I said this is my first time of doing this. So this Betty lashes right here is not, it doesn't master me with the other lashes, okay? So, and yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do about that. Anyways, let's see how it goes. So picking it up for the first time, it makes me happy. And yeah, this is how I fix it. And when fixing it, just make sure you put it under, like inside, okay, just to use it to fill your natural lashes. And these lashes right here is not long. I think I got it for a reason, I guess. I think maybe for going with a natural look, like not letting people notice that you are wearing lashes. I use it to fill in my natural lashes though, okay? I think that was the reason I got this little size, okay? And if you look, you see that it's even like my natural lashes. It's not like, you won't even notice that I have lashes on there. And it's very small, tiny. Like guys, if you are not patient enough, you cannot fix these lashes right here. And these lashes right here is something else. As you guys can see, I've already switched to bonding. I have already switched to bonding. I'm fixing it. I know that you guys wouldn't want to see the blumper side of this video. Okay. Oh my god, that's how I apply it. I'm so happy to know how to do this. Like, this is my very first time of doing this. I have never done this type of lashes before, because I'm used to the other one. But I watch a lot of videos of where people fix it, and I said to myself, I think I can do it. And here I am, guys, doing it by myself. Oh my god, they are all sticking. Using bonding makes it more easy for me to know, and makes it easy for me personally. Everybody have different choices. Many people have different glues, but bonding is my best friend when it comes to lashes. And when you bring out one, the rest, just the lashes is too small. It's too small for me to pick, okay? I guess that's why it's like this. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to apply all of them and fill in the other eyes as I am doing it right now. I am filling the other eyes, like, oh my god. It's so easy, but I don't know why I'm laughing. I think I'm happy, okay? At least my lashes are going to be full. I forgot to mention to you guys that the mirror that I'm using in this tutorial is with my ring light. So if you haven't seen the video where I did my ring light review 2 weeks ago, please definitely check it out. I'll put the link somewhere up here so that you guys can check it out. It's multiple using, okay? So you can attach your phone, camera, mirror. So it has 4 places where you can attach different things. All right, so as you guys can see, I am done with the lashes. I'm almost done, okay? Let's say I am done, and look at that. Look at my eyes. It's full, baby, it's full. So now I'll be adding a little bit more in the places where there is little space, okay? So if anywhere there is a little bit space, I will take one of it and apply it. Like I said, if you're not a patient person, you cannot apply these lashes right here. All right, so this lashes right here is perfect, is beautiful. And maybe the next time I will order, okay, I'll order the long ones instead of the short one. So my reason, like I said, because I love natural look. So it's not all the time you let people know you are wearing lashes. So with this right here, nobody will know anything. All right, and the next thing I'm gonna do is to start brushing it once I'm done applying them. And my reason brushing it up is because I wanted to know if they will all fall out, but hell no, they all stick together. Like, I am amazed. Like, look at the smile on my face. I am really amazed. I'm so happy, okay? So because I wasn't expecting it, by me looking, you will see the difference in my look. You see before and now, to compare if this really fits me. So see how eyelashes full, like it makes my lashes full, and you won't even know that I have little lashes. All right, so as you can tell, I am so happy in this tutorial. All right, so I just finished that, and I'm now trying to show you guys so that you guys will see the differences in this tutorial. So if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for my next video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.